तो हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। तो स्वागत करता हूँ एक और नई वीडियो में। सो इन टुडेज वीडियो आई एम गोना show you a match that I just played, and I just wiped the two squad, means the whole two squad. It was not solo versus squad, but yeah, you can say it was solo versus squad because my team was just pathetic. So yeah, so we are now in the match. So I'm gonna first I don't know why I chose Trickster. So yeah, I used Trickster first. But yeah, I changed my mind and I thought I should use another one. So yeah, can you please comment me down that which operator skill you use in BR? And do you want me to play BR only? Please tell me in the comment section down below. And please support me guys so that I can just upload video. These types of videos I will just upload regularly. So yeah, I thought I should take Trap Master. But yeah, I thought I should take Airborne. Yeah, actually, I took Trap Master. I will just take. Yeah, I can't say. Okay. I'm just taking Trap Master. Now I will take Airborne. Yeah. So actually, I will also suggest you that you should only take Airborne because Airborne helps in you flying, and when you are out of zone, it just helps you to just go in the zone very means fastly. And you can you please guys tell me what is this type of power that's in the helicopter? Please comment down below that too. And now see my action. Boom. Okay, so and guys, please tell me that you play BR squad or duo, solo versus squad or duo versus squad or squad. Okay, so as you can see, I just saw my team's players meet their character. So yeah, I don't know what to do. So I thought yeah. They're just moves or something. So and then I want to just play solo. So I was just thinking that where should I go? Standoff, West Station, Farm. First I thought I should go Farm, I think so. I thought, but yeah, I went to Standoff because Standoff is a nice place. We can get nice types of things over there. So yeah, Standoff is a nice place, and also there are less people that come over there. So yeah. So when I just got landed in this, what we say, I think so this is a church or something. I got AK-47 as you can see. So are you seeing my luck? So I thought I should take REF-79 because M4LMG is one of the worst guns in the BR. Then again I got AK-47. Actually I needed the ammo. Vest I got, wow, it's nice actually. And then this HPK. Okay, so I was asking that PUBG Mobile India has just released its official teaser. Means it's a teaser or something. I don't know. You will call it a banner or a teaser, but yeah, it's a means. Yeah, I will also upload the PUBG Mobile India and also this gameplay, both of the games. And please, okay. So I just spotted some guy over there, and I just killed this guy. And remember him from the last one. Remember him when I in the last zone. Okay. So yeah, I got 2 kills, and I just wanted some healing so that I could kill that guy. Actually, I was just playing with him or ignoring him. I don't know why I was just not killing him. But at first I thought I should just heal because I don't want to take risk because I'm just second number is with me, but now he's gone. Okay, I also got the Airborne actually, and yeah, we are just going. I thought I should take some TPP because he was looking like a pro guy, but actually he was a noob, totally noob. Then he went over there, then I just ran. Okay. Sorry. And yeah, I found him. He was just looting from it. So yeah, I thought he was actually doing an emote or something. So yeah, I killed that guy, and we are now on 3 kills. 3 streak. Actually I got 2x on my scope. So I'm just doing it. So yeah, now when I will be in the zone or I got a kill, I will just meet you over there. Bye. तो फ्रेंड जैसे मैं एयरबॉर्न मेरे को वहाँ पे हल्का स्मोक ग्रेनेड देखा तो मेरे को पता था कि यहाँ पे फार्म के अंदर वैसे भी हमेशा बंदे तो होते ही है। तो फिर मैं भी हल्का सा यहाँ पे ही था कि आ जाएंगे बंदे, आएंगे क्यों नहीं। तो फिर यहाँ पे मैंने अपनी इन्वेंटरी पता नहीं क्यों चेक करी। एक्चुअली you guys should have this Nova Gas with you because in the tank when you need sorry guys, when you need tank, when there is a tank, but I don't know why in this game we didn't got the tank. So it helps you. I mean, Nova Gas helps you to. You guys are just understanding me, okay? So yeah, I was in the game, but suddenly came here and I knocked him down. Anika. Okay. And I just killed him. So I thought I should take this AK-117. Yeah, so yeah, I took it because I was having very much ammo. But I didn't give to my skin because he was having that evil chip skin. So yeah, light ammo I just throw the light ammo. And I was just going and going and going. Okay, so I will just meet you when I will be in the season, or I will just get a kill. So now I got that airborne, and so now I was just thinking that I should go on launch base because I know I will just go on launch base and the entire game I will just go on launch base only. You guys just need to see how I killed those guys that were just having level 3 vest and they were having a legendary skins of, not the legendary, I mean legendary gun of Arctic 50, that thermal one. So I was thinking that I now need a sniper so that I can just go on high tank, I can just kill someone. And that third player was just having that dog tag problem. You can see mechanic. So I just spotted a truck, but I don't need to waste my ammo. But I thought, yeah, I should use that Nova Gas. And yeah, I am just going upstairs of this. I will just go upstairs of this. What we say this? Actually, I don't remember. Yeah, the staircase. Okay, I got it though. That's very nice. And I also got a snowboard, but I didn't just put it. I don't know why I'm like that. I didn't just equip it because I don't like snowboard. And it was the last zone, I think so. Yeah, so I was just going. I need a sniper actually. I was just seeing sniper. Sniper. Okay, I just found Nova Gas, but I took it. I'm just finding, and here I got Lucas. As you can see, first I thought no, I don't need a sniper, but yeah, I thought that there are some of the some of players that are just down and I can kill them in sniper in one shot only. I got 28 bullets in sniper rifle. Not a rifle, it's a sniper. Okay, and I am over there, and actually I was just seeing that dog tag one, and I was just scoping out. So till I found the kill or something, I will just over here and I will just show you. After 2 to 3 minutes, I just spotted this guy and I just knocked it down with Luca. I remember this guy. I just killed this guy 3 times, literally. So he was just jiggling, so I couldn't because I am very bad at it. So I thought I should just take my kill. So yeah, this guy was jiggling so much that I couldn't. So I was just seeing over there. As you can see, he's over there. So I was just outscoping because who does that quick scope in that VR? So yeah, he was one shot. Coffee Pride. What were you doing, man? What were you doing? I was just scoping in. Then I also spotted a car, so I thought I should just puncture its speed so that no one could escape. Yeah, so I just found a car that was just moving. Remember this? I just beat this guy in the last time. In the last, in that circle last. I was just I was just trying to kill him, but yeah, he just revived his teammate. Actually, as you can see over there, and now his teammate will come. I was just trying to just give him some damage. Yeah. So as you can see, now there's a teammate over there. And I was just trying to, but yeah, it was someone there. I cannot just reach, the ammo couldn't reach over there, as you can see. Oh, okay. So yeah, I just thought I should just leave them, and I was just searching for another one, so I thought I should just go over there so that I could just check over there. And now my whole team was with me only, so I was thinking that we should win the match, but at this time the third number just got disconnected. That was very bad, but he didn't do anything, so yeah, it's okay. I was just thinking where are the other players or something. I was just seeing because of that airborne or something. So I just saw an the helicopter that was just over there. So the fourth number is also a pro. I like that guy very much. So he also helped me very much. I was just seeing the sniper that is someone from the revival flight or not. And oh, this guy, again this guy. I killed that guy over there and someone revived him. And that cap sexy 02 is just on that 10 kill streak and I'm on 7. So I need to beat that guy. I need to beat that guy. I don't know. Yeah. So yeah. What the fuck I'm saying? Oh sorry. Yeah, so I knew that 4 number guy was having 4 guy, ramen guy. So the ramen guy found some of the players over there. So I just came by him. As you can see, he was over there. So I was just thinking that if there's someone over there, see, no one was there. So, okay, no one is there. I was just scoping in and in, but I didn't find even a single one. And yeah, what the heck is. So yeah, I couldn't find, and there are 55 people in this safe zone, and it's not that much bigger. As you can see, I can just see everything in with my sniper, as you can see. And do you know, now you will actually get a jump scare. It's a jump scare warning actually. And over there I saw that guy again. I don't know who is that guy just reviving, bruh. And he just got disappeared. As you can see, he just got disappeared. And I thought I'm just dead over there, but I killed that guy because I'm having one of the best guns in BR, AK-47. So this guy just antelope, I think so we say. So yeah, I need an underline shot so that my HP could be 150. I think I should just go, but I think that no, I don't want to just play with it because I know anyone can kill it with Nova gas or something like a machine or that war machine, because there are people who just loot it with rock. There are 52 people, and you can see the zone. There are only 22 or 52 people in that zone, literally. And that fourth one guy was just beaten up by some of the what we say guys over there. I just gave him a damage, so he was just healing up. So I thought I should just be in the cover, so that yeah. So I will meet you when I will be in that rush. Means I'm just rushing them now. I'm there and now I'm rushing them from behind. So I thought there will be only one player only, but I remember, sorry, but now you will get a shock. First I thought I should just do a Nova gas spread so that he could get a damage, but yeah, he didn't get the damage. Means that over there it was clear. I don't know why I just called the airborne. I don't know why. But yeah, I just used it so that I could get some location of the people. Where are they? As you can see, we're just seeing. And so I will just rush them now because I saw nobody over there. And I was just going over there so that I can see it's the back of me, means my back is just no one's there, right? Because if someone is there, then nothing will happen. I am just pushing them now. I'm saying this from the past 5 minutes, but yeah, I'm not rushing. And I just found that guy over there. As you can see, he was his teammate only, but yeah, he killed that guy. Sohan. Actually, Sohan is that guy of that 10 kill streak. So I need to kill that guy because he was the major. And see how he's camping. I was just laughing at this time how he's just camping. And I killed that guy. It was so much easy. And this guy again. I killed this guy and now I'm killing this guy 4th time. Literally, I killed this guy 4th time. So how much chest and this phone number came because I just killed that guy. He was just afraid of that. So I just spotted a helicopter. Literally a helicopter. So I was just thinking first we should go on the zone and I will try to just destroy that helicopter with my AK-47. AK-47. KN-44. Actually, no, AK-47. Okay, which is I was just trying some of the shots with my sniper. Actually, I don't know why. And over there I also got an underlean shot. Now, actually now you will again just see a jump. I just tried some bullets, but yeah, I just literally just blew up. Literally, if it would be one shot, I just saw this guy. There are Bap OP. And I got underlean shot, and he was having top number 10, but one of the worst. I don't know why people. And that helicopter, as you can see, it was only one shot and it would be just blown away. So I thought, yeah, now I should do. Let's see, it just got blown up and that guy just died, as you can see. And that guy, Feline and Brie guy, these were the two, one of the pros, and one guy was having sniper rifle and I was scared of him, and one of the guy was having legendary sniper of that, what we say, Arctic 50, that thermal one. So I was scared of that because he would see us. But my teammates, I don't know why, this teammate, 4th one is a pro, and I was thinking that where he is aiming actually. I thought I should just, he will just kill that guy, and I am just doing. See, this Captain Sexy 02, he's also alive over there, and he is killing just that with that legendary Arctic 50. Then I go, oh, here's that guy. Defense history. Okay, so we were in the last one, as you can see, we were in the zone. So yeah, that gang Captain Sexy just knocked or killed that guy. I was scared of him. 1, 2, 3. Only 2 people were left. 2 players were left actually, and we need to kill that guy. So I just did a smoke over there, and I just did a trick over there. As you can see, I couldn't find anyone. I was literally thinking that where the heck are they? Where the heck they are? I was just thinking and thinking. I was just roaming and roaming. Then I saw that guy over there. Then I just gave him that, I think so, 2 shots. Actually 1 shot. No, with the AK-47. He was literally 1 HP. And I thought I should just kill him with my grenade. I just put a grenade over there. But my kill just got stolen. He got damaged with the grenade too, but he was only 1 shot. Not a 1 shot. He was, and I just found that guy over there. But I thought, I knew that guy would not just throw and he would come from the back. So for confirming that, I just put my airborne, as you can see. I just put in my airborne now, and I was just wondering that where is that guy over here? Can you just see him? Can you just see that guy? I thought I should just use armor plate, but I didn't equip it because I just scoped on. I don't know why. So yeah, I just thought I should just put that airborne one, so that guy would also use this score streak, no, that operator skill, and he would just come and we would just knew his location. And I don't know why, what was that second one thinking? He just used the airborne. Literally, why he just uses airborne? I was just thinking. As you can see now in the and over there I saw this type of music gaming and zombie. So yeah, it was confirmed that there's the guy is over there behind this pahari mountain, as you can see, and Captain Sexy is there. Okay, so now we are having a chicken dinner. No, it's in PUBG. We are having this. As you can see in my, we won the match by shooting, killed an enemy, I killed one more, I killed entire squad, killed an enemy, and one more squad I just wiped it. Again killed an enemy, entire squad. 3 times. I just eliminated 3 times. 3 squads actually, because I was having 12 kills. 3 into 4, 12. Yeah. And I need to just go on legendary. So now I am on, I think, so Pro 5 or something. Oh, I'm just going on Pro 4. Wow, I just on Pro 4. And guys, if you want to see these type of videos, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and please turn on the notification on, and please comment down below how was the video, or I should continue the video. Bye.